That's right, we're making burrata chicken today. Get yourself a packet and a half of cherry tomatoes, or 2 packets. Get out your baking dish, the smaller one. And we're going to put those cherry tomatoes in there. We're going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic, olive oil, fresh ground pepper, a little bit of salt. We're going to mix it up real good. Then we're going to pop that into the oven. Oh, I forgot one thing. We have to add, well, it's an option, red pepper flake. If you don't like a little heat, don't add the red pepper flake. I like the little heat, so I add the red pepper flake. There we go. Now we'll give that a good mix. And then we're going to pop this into the oven at 350 for about an hour, or until you see that all the tomatoes have popped and are nice and juicy. Now I've got 1 chicken breast that I've already cut in half, and I marinated in a little bit of olive oil, garlic, and granulated onion, salt and pepper for a couple hours. So I've got my cast iron grill pan, and I've got that sucker as hot as I can get it. I mean, it's smoking hot. And I'm just gonna lay down the chicken breast, and we're gonna go kind of at a little angle there, 45 degree, I guess you call it. And we'll cook it like that for about 2 minutes. And then we'll just rotate it just like that. And that'll give us kind of cool little grill marks on the chicken, hopefully. So we'll do another 2 minutes, and then we'll flip it over. And when we flip it over, it doesn't really matter, because I don't care about the bottom grill marks, because we're not going to see it. It's going to be on top of the plate. So we'll do that, go for about 3 more minutes till that chicken is completely done, 165 internal temperature. And we'll set that chicken to the side, let it rest. And now our burrata mixture, that is perfect, the tomatoes. So we're going to pull that out. We're going to hit it with some fresh basil. Save a little bit of that basil to decorate the plate at the end. And then we're going to put our burrata right inside, just like that. And burrata, you know, is basically just a mozzarella with a creamy inside. So we'll get in there with a spoon, and we'll break up this burrata, and then give it a nice mix inside with the tomatoes. And then we'll plate by just scooping all that goodness onto a plate. And we'll put our chicken right on top with a little basil. And you have an amazing chicken burrata dish that everybody's gonna love. It's so delicious. Hey, thanks for watching. And remember, every Sunday, every Wednesday, a new video. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I really appreciate that. Any ideas on what to cook next, where you're from, I always try to respond. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.